Today we're going to discuss about the finite or finite geometric series. So kapag sinabi nating finite geometric series, it has a finite number of terms. So ibig sabihin, yung geometric sequence natin dito is merong first term and last term, or meron tayong specific terms na hinahanap. So we have here our formula in finding or solving the finite geometric series. S sub n is equal to a sub 1 times 1 minus r raised to n over 1 minus r. So our a sub 1, that is our first term, r is the common ratio, n is the number of terms. So if we're going to have a recap kung paano natin sinasolve ang common ratio, is we have second term divided by first term. Okay? Common ratio is equal to second term divided by first term. Or kukuha lang tayo ng two consecutive terms and ipag-divide natin siya. Nakuha? Okay, so para mas maintindihan pa natin, we have here our example. Number 1, determine the sum of the first 10 terms of the sequence 4, negative 8, 16, negative 32. Okay, so let's identify first all the given. Okay, what is our a sub 1? Or the first term in our sequence? That is 4. How about the common ratio? Okay, so second term divided by first term, or negative 8 divided by 4. And that is negative 2. So negative 2 is our common ratio. How about n? So kung mabasahin natin, we're going to find the sum of the first 10 terms. So it means 10 is our n. So our solution here is we're just going to substitute all the given to our formula. So S sub 10, or pakita natin yung formula. S sub n is equal to a sub 1 times 1 minus r raised to n over 1 minus r. So what is our first term? That is 4. Sa-substitute lang natin lahat ng given natin. Times 1 minus r raised to 10, or negative 2 raised to 10. Okay. And 1 minus negative 2. So, ang una nating isa-solve is yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Okay. So, sa loob ng parenthesis, meron tayong 1 minus negative 2 raised to 10. Negative 2 raised to 10, so even number ang exponent natin, so it means this is positive. Negative 2 raised to 10, that is equal to 1024. Diba? Then, balik natin yung mga given natin. So, 1 minus negative 2, okay. Change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. So, we have 3 as our denominator. Okay, now, we're going to subtract 1 to negative 2. To 1024. So 1 minus 1024, that is negative 1023. Okay, times 4 over 3. 4 times negative 1023. Okay, that is 4092 divided by 3. Okay, and 4092 divided by 3, that is, this is negative. Okay, 4 times negative 1023, that is negative 4092. Divided by 3, this is negative 1364. So, ibig sabihin, the sum of the first 10 terms of this sequence is negative 1364. Nakuha? Okay, so let's have a second example. So we have here our given geometric sequence of 3, 12, 48, and 192. And we're going to find the sum of the 8 terms or the S sub 8. Okay? So, ang una natin gagawin is we're going to find first all the given. So, identify muna natin yung mga given natin. Our A sub 1 or the first term is 3. So, dito nang galing si 3 sa ating first term. The common ratio is 4 dahil if we are going to divide 12 by 3, that is 4. Diba? And our n, since we are looking for the S sub 8 or the sum of the 8 terms, it means 8 is our n. Now, if we have this given, isa-substitute na lang natin siya sa ating formula. Okay? Substitution lang. Now, solve natin. So, we have 1 minus 4 raised to 8. So, kunin muna natin yung 4 raised to 8. And 4 raised to 8, that is equal to 65,536. Okay, and 1 minus 4, that is negative 3. So, let's continue. So, 1 minus 65,536, obviously, that is negative 65,535. Okay, divided by negative 3. So, since kung mapapansin natin, merong common sa numerator and denominator, i-cancel na natin yan. Okay, and yung negative. So, we have 65,535. Okay, 65,535 as our final answer or the solution. Or the solution in this sum of the 8 terms of this geometric sequence. Okay. Pwede naman i-multiply nyo si 3 by 65,535, then divide nyo by negative 3. Ganon din yung magiging answer. Okay. So, let's have a third and last example. We have 4, 2, 1. And we're going to find the sum of the 10 terms. Okay. Now, let's identify all the given. What is our first term? That is 4. Okay. Siya yung ating A sub 1. What is the common ratio? So, if we have 2 divided by 4, second term divided by first term, that is 1/2. Okay. How about our n? Since we are looking for the 10th term, 10 is our n. Okay. And the solution, using the formula, S sub 10 is equal to A sub 1 times 1 minus the common ratio raised to n over 1 minus r. Okay, so substitute lang natin. A sub 1, that is 4, times 1 minus r, which is 1/2. Okay. 1/2 raised to 1/2 raised to 10. So, kaya mahalaga na dapat na panood nyo muna yung operations on fractions para kapag may mga fraction na given na sa inyo is madali nyo na lang siya isa-solve. Okay? And 1 minus the common ratio of 1/2. Okay, now, solve muna natin si 1/2 raised to 10. Si 1/2 raised to 10, okay, is same lang yan ng 1 raised to 10 over 2 raised to 10. Okay? So, kung isa-solve natin to 1 raised to 10, any exponent ng 1, kahit gaano pa kalaki yung exponent niyan, the value of this number is 1. Okay? And 2 raised to 10, that is 1,024. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, we have 1 over 1,024 dito. So, burahin ko lang to. So, we have 4 times 1 minus 1 over 1,024. Okay, over 1 minus 1/2. So, we don't need to calculate. If we're going to subtract 1/2 to our 1, to 1, it means we have 1/2. Now, solve naman natin si 1 minus 1,024. Okay, 1 minus 1 over 1,024. Okay. So, sabi natin yung kapag nagsusubtract tayo ng fraction, meron tayong ginagamit na butterfly method. Kapag meron kayong whole number, gawin nyo siyang fraction. So, since 1 to, gawin yung 1 over 1. Same lang naman yun. Okay. 1 times 1024, that is your denominator. That is 1024. And 1 times 1024, that is 1024. Okay. And since minus or subtraction yung operation natin dito, we have subtraction here. Minus 1 times 1, that is 1. So, 1024 minus 1, that is 1023 over 1024. So, ibig sabihin yung solution natin dito is this one. Okay. Burahin ko at palitan natin. So, we have 4 times 1023 over 1024. Times over 1/2. Now, let's multiply. 4 times 1023. So, fraction ulit, di ba? So, 4 times 1023 over 1024. So, gawin natin tong fraction si 4 by putting 1 on our denominator. So, 1024 times 1, that is 1024. And 1023 times 4, that is ilan? 4,092. Tama? So, ibig sabihin, ang numerator natin is 4,092 over 1,024. over 1,024 all over 1/2. Okay. So, let's continue. Kapag ganito ang inyong nakikitang mga problem, ang gawin nyo, paghiwalayin nyo sila. Okay, gawin natin 4,092 over 1,024 divided by 1/2 para mas madali. Okay, so ganun ulit yung rule natin sa dividing fraction, cross multiplication lang. Okay, 4,092 times 2. That is 8,184. Okay. Over 1,024 times 1, that is 1,024. So, dito, pwede naman natin siya i-simplify or kapag compute natin yan, 8,184 divided by 1,024, that is 7.99. Okay. So, this is our final answer or sum of the 10 terms of the sequence na given natin. Okay, so sana mas naintindihan at naliwanagan.